Okay, so here's the update. This door was actually the existing door, and it swung into the bathroom, and it gave access to this bedroom over here. So this bedroom essentially had its own ensuite, but the master ensuite is now upstairs. So this bathroom made more sense to have an additional door so that the other bedroom also had access to the bathroom. So that's why we added the second door. This door right now was in place of the vanity, which we now moved over to the other side. So we've got wall sconce, vanity, and of course, a pretty large shower.
Okay, so we're back at that bathroom renovation that I've been showing you. We're almost complete. The guys are upstairs putting in the shower glass enclosure, and that's basically the last step. I mean, we do have one light fixture to install because we're changing out the bathroom vanity light, and of course some accessories and some artwork just to kind of dress things up. So we're almost there.
Okay, so here is the glass enclosure. Full glass, seamless. That really makes the shower really open and spacious inside. Of course, we have our caution tape because it was literally just installed.